4 pounds of Chinese food for less than 15 bucks in less than 20 minutes. Let me show you how to do it. Wok or a large cast iron skillet. If you don't have a wok, you should pick one up. I'll leave you a link to this one that I've been using for over 4 years in the description. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 pound sliced chicken, salt, pepper. Cook it until it looks like this. Off the heat. Medium-high heat, 2 tablespoons olive oil in. 4 cups broccoli sliced thin in. Salt, pepper. I added another tablespoon of olive oil just to ensure that it doesn't burn. Saute that up to your preference, then take it off the heat. Medium heat, 4 tablespoons olive oil. 1/4 cup sliced garlic. This might look like way too much garlic, but trust me, it's not. As it cooks in that oil, it's going to decrease its pungency. Once it's beginning to turn golden brown like you see here, it's good to go. 1 tablespoon ground ginger, 3 tablespoons low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon honey. Saute that for 1 minute. 1 cup sliced green onions. 16-ounce box of organic whole wheat noodles. Got them for $2. Cook them to al dente. Let them chill in the fridge till it's time to use them. Broccoli in. Chicken back in. Add a half cup of your pasta water. Medium-low heat until your sauce is well distributed and your noodles are warmed through. And there it is, guys. 4 pounds of food for under 15 bucks. Feed your family. Let me know how it turned out in the comments. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.